This is Steve coming back to you again in order to teach Kiluba. I will start with it's about the verb to be. And today we're learning how to say I am, you are, and so on. So ndi, it's I am. Ndi. Pronunciation is very important to say it correctly. Ndi. Ndi, which means that we can say ndi Steve, which means I am Steve. Then followed by udi Steve, means you are Steve. You are Steve. Udi Steve. It goes down. Udi. Then the third one, well, it pronounced almost the same way. Udi, it's the same thing, but udi, so it goes a little bit higher to make a difference. Udi Steve. Udi Steve. So udi means you are. Udi means he is, the same. And then we have we are. We are goes with 2D. Okay? 2D, which means we are. 2D van means we are children. 2D van, we are children. 2D, we are. So after 2D, moody with you are. So many of you, you are moody bana means you are children. Bana, which is the B-A-N-A, bana, you are children. Then we have body, which means they are. Body, bana, which means they are children. Bana means children. Or body, babela, or it means they are sick, and so on. Body. So this is the verb to be, the all thing. Let's try again together. Ndi, I am. Udi. So then the third one is still udi. So udi means you. Udi means he or she. Then we have 2D means we are. Moody means you are. Body means they are. Body means they are. So this is a verb to be, and we'll practice more with different words, like I was talking about bana. Let's say ndi mwana. I didn't write that, but mwana means I am a child. Udi mwana. Then the third one, udi mwana, he is a child. Tudi bana, we are children. Mudi bana, they are children. Mudi bana, you are children. Mudi bana, you are children. And then the last one is badi bana, they are children. So I believe that you caught something with this verb to be, and those are really skeleton or the basis of speaking Kiluba. We'll go little by little, trying to touch all those little word vocabularies here, verbs here, so to really come up with all the words we need in order to make sentences. Yesterday we learned few things about greetings, and then we will continue the greetings. We are not done. We still have to repeat them, and then also to know how we can greet somebody in the at night time, which is Kekiolwa, and so we're gonna continue learning. I just decided today to go with the verb to be, so that so that we can we can advance in speaking already. So ndi, udi, and so on. Because yesterday, as we were learning how to say hi to greet people, and then we also learn Dijina Diami, my name. My name is Dijina Diami, is Steve. My name is Steve, Dijina Diami. And we also learn Ndi, Steve, which means I am Steve. So we'll continue improving. Let me know if you retain something, if you notice that you're learning more as we meet every day or every week, multiple times. Please let me know if you gain a lot of knowledge in this teaching. That will encourage me to continue, and then I am determined to teach this language as long as I'm strong. I can continue teaching, and it's easy for me to do so. And I know there are many words I don't know too, as I'm talking to different people who know, and then trying to increase my vocabulary. But proverbs wise, we will learn together. We will learn together. I know more proverbs, and then which make me strong in speaking Kiluba. So looking forward talking to you, and then hearing from you. Please write and let me know if you enjoyed the video, and you have some suggestion, and I will take in consideration whatever I can do, and to make a difference. Please, let's fight to teach this language so that it doesn't disappear, or it doesn't shrink. Especially help people who want to know more, and then want to elevate, make sure this culture doesn't really die. So let me know, and God bless you. Shalapo, 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 shalapo.